Hey there, I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today I made this beautiful and simple paper cup. If you want to learn how to make this paper cup, then let's move to our video. Here we have one square paper. Hold this paper like that. Here you can see two corners. Put that corner on each other and press it. Open this paper. Here we have one middle line. Put this edge on that middle line and press it. Same with other side. Now turn the paper. Put narrow side at down. Here we have corner. Put this corner on upside corner like this and press it. Again we have here middle line. Press the paper back side from that middle line. Here you can see two corners. Pull these corners from each other and press at bottom side. Now fold this corner at back side. Put your finger inside. Here you can see diamond like shape. Press in the middle. Now take red paper and draw a cock's comb. Cut this shape and paste it. Make eye with a marker. And here our paper cock is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming more videos, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.